everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and I have another haul for you guys. I've got a few Christmas presents in this haul. So this is a collective haul from Kmart, Big W and the Reject Shop, and it was part of my vlog yesterday. So I just sort of quickly scanned and showed you everything that I got in the vlog, but when I started sort of going through everything and saying how much it all was, it ended up being like a 15-minute video. So I thought, I better just make it a whole separate video so it doesn't get too boring for you guys that only just want to see the vlog style. And for those of you that just like to see hauls, then you don't have to watch the whole vlog. So yeah, I just thought I'd separate it in that regard. So let's jump straight in. So the first thing I got was this little lantern from the Reject Shop. It's actually plastic, it's not metal, but it looks, yeah, it's got like the metal look about it. And I just really loved it. It's actually solar powered as well as battery powered. And that's just a fake candle inside. So yeah, I really like that. I'll be displaying that after Christmas somewhere. So that's all I actually bought from the Reject Shop, because on Saturday, tomorrow when I go shopping with the kids, we're going to Taree. So there'll be the Reject Shop there is a lot bigger and a lot better. So I'll take you around and show you what's inside. So for those of you guys that aren't in Australia, the Reject Shop is like a dollar store, only everything's not $1. So that was $10, that little lantern, which I thought was all right. So from Big W, what I bought first up was this massive book, and it's the history of Ford in Australia. Now my husband's a massive Ford fanatic, and yeah, I just thought that might be quite interesting for him. It's basically all the people and the history of how Ford came to be and that sort of thing. So hopefully, I don't think he watches my vlogs. It's too boring for him. So if he does, well, then you shouldn't be. So yeah, that was from Big W, and that was only $20. And it's a nice, thick sort of book. It's also like a coffee table book, I guess. So that's the first thing. These two Lynx packs, I got one for Jamie and one for Michael, just like a stocking filler. Michael uses this fragrance all the time, Lynx Black, and I just figured this will give Jamie a few more hints to get in the shower more often. So I plan to buy him a few of these every year, and I think they were about $7.50. The next thing I got from Big W was this little biscuit tin. It actually comes with biscuits in it. You get vanilla, chocolate, custard and strawberry cream biscuit assortment. But I just actually love the tin. Like, the tin is just so pretty. I bought it in mind to give it as a gift, but I'm thinking now I might keep it for my craft room because it's just so pretty. And I think this was $10. Oh, I don't have my docket here, but I think it was about $10. The next thing I got from Big W was this little gift set. We've got a body lotion, a shower cream, a body butter, and a body spritz. And I don't know what the fragrance is. It says Midnight Rose Petals. So I haven't smelt it, but the packaging looks quite pretty. So I really like that. And I think that was $10. The next little gift set I bought was this one, the same brand as that other one. I think it's called Bayliss and Harding. And this is a hand lotion and hand wash. And I just really love the packaging on this. It's got like a rose, like a pink gold top and sort of like rose gold metallic print on the side. So yeah, again, I bought those as a gift. And what were they? Were they $10 as well, or $8? Maybe around $8, something like that. The next thing I bought from Big W, I'll get this one out of the way because it's big, was this beach bag. Now, I just love the look of the beach bag. I actually bought this just by the look of the beach bag, and I don't even know what's inside it, to be honest. So it's got body wash, body bolonge. Oh, that might be like a body scrub, a body poof, body lotion and hand cream. That, I think it was $25, but it was reduced to I think when I scanned it at the checkout, it came up at about $12. So I really, really like that. They had other designs as well, but this was the only pink and white stripe one I saw. So yeah, again, I bought that as a potential gift. Might have seen in the little shopping vlog, I picked up these two reindeers. They must have been having a sale on all their Christmas decor because it said these were $5, but I think when I scanned them, they only come up at about $2.20. It must have been like a 50% off or something there. And again, I'm not keen on the red glitter look, but like I did with the other reindeer, I'm just planning on giving them a bit of a makeover for next year, because I actually bought these in mind to decorate, you know, the big galvanized tiered tray that I've just bought. So I figured I'd need a few more decorations to fill that one up next year. So I bought those two. Another couple of decorations I bought were these. Now I bought these, how annoying. I bought these with the intention of putting them on the back of our office chairs. You know how I was saying to you guys I was going to maybe decorate the back of our orange chairs, the back of our office chairs. So I had in mind to use these in that decoration, and I'm sure my husband is gonna love that every time he moves his chair. So and they said $3 here, but at the checkout they might have been $2 or something like that. And then again, another little ornament that was supposed to be $4, but I think it only came up at about $2 something. So just these ones, again, even if I don't use these on the back of my chair, they'll go good in the galvanized tray for next year as well. So that's those. I also bought a tiny packet of little balls here in the green, red and white and silver. They were only, that says $4, but again, I think they only came up at about $2. And I just really like the tiny balls that I can then just decorate around the vignettes that I do, because I didn't have any really this tiny. So I thought they'd be good to decorate with, and I might even open these up today and sprinkle them around everywhere. Also from Big W, I picked up one of these for you know who. I just thought that's perfect because her room's rainbow color. It lights up. It's got no batteries in it at the moment, but it all lights up. And yeah, I just thought that's really, really pretty in the nice rainbow colors. It sort of matches her tie-dyed curtains that I did for her. So I thought that would look really nice. The other thing I picked up was just a heap of these plain, cheap polo shirts. These are mainly for Jessie. I'm just going to put these in as a little Christmas stocking stuffer for her horse riding. She likes to have a collared shirt, like a collared polo shirt for horse riding. So I just got her four of those, and they're only $6 at Big W, so not a lot of money. The other couple of things I picked up were for myself. It's just a plain blue and white striped t-shirt just for the weekend. And then this one, I really like this color. I think every time I wear this color, people say it actually like suits my complexion. So every time I can try and find something in this color, I get it. So that's another one, just a plain little v-neck t-shirt just for the weekend, maybe even for work, maybe on Christmas at work. And I think they were only $9 each. So they were pretty cheap too. Now from Kmart, I picked up a packet of these for my husband. Now the package was damaged, but I plan on taking them out of the package anyway and putting them into like a little small box. And they're just these like sexy man shorts. And on them, they've got like all these funny sayings. Like instead of having the days of the week, it's got follow me, insta fun, swagger, no filter, and awesome. It's got some sexy man pants. To go along with the sexy man pants, I bought 4 more of these sexy man candles. 3 of them are for gifts that I have in mind to give out at Christmas, and 1 of them is for my stash. So I think I've got about 4 in my stash now. And you all know how much I rave on about this sexy man candle. It was $9 and it's absolutely beautiful. I just love the smell of it. If you love the smell of sexy man, you will love these. So I got 4 of those. Also, I picked up a couple of little diaries for the grandparents. These are just like a weekly diary from Kmart, just because they still use their diaries to write appointments in, doctor's appointments and things like that. So one for each of the grandparents. And they were only, I think, $5. I think this one was $3 and this one was $5, so they're not a lot. Also for me from Kmart, I bought this. Let me show you. 'Tis the Season to Sparkle. That was only $9 t-shirt, and I bought that. I'm thinking maybe to wear to our, we're having a little luncheon at work for Christmas, so I might wear that on that day. Just plain grey with the red sparkles I really like. And then the last couple of things I bought were a couple of little bra sets for Jessie. Just these little sports type bras. I got black and white and a beige and navy blue. And they're only $12 for a set of 2. And then these little ones, it's a pink one and a white one, and they're only $10 for a pack of 2. And then just a couple of packets of knickers for Jessie as well. So they're both a 5-pack and they were $10 each. So it's like $2 a pair, which are quite cheap. And then also for Jamie, I got a pack of 5 crew cut socks. Those are mainly for school. I didn't find any for Jessie, and I didn't find any undies for Jamie. So I've still got to pick up a couple of pairs of undies for Jamie for, you know, packs for next year, and then some socks for Jessie. Although I might just get 2 packs of these, another pack of these for Jessie. They're just plain white socks for school, and they're 5-pack. I think they're only $8 for a 5-pack. So less than $1 each, and they're a little bit higher. Like they're not the ankle socks, which I like better. I like the taller ones. And then last but not least, just a little cheapy Kmart brand mascara, just to throw in Jessie's box as a stocking stuffer, because I mean, she doesn't wear makeup as such, but she does wear mascara a few times, so I just threw that in. And yeah, to be honest, I'm struggling to find stuff for my kids. Like, on one hand, I don't feel like buying them anything because they make me insane, but then, you know, on the other, the next day you just love them so much and you want to buy them everything. But yeah, just the teenage years are very hard. So yeah, maybe hopefully when we go on Saturday, I can maybe get a few sneaky presents in that they don't notice because they're coming with me. So yeah, that was my little shopping haul, and I'm just going to put all this stuff away and I'll come back. So yeah, that's everything that I bought yesterday in my little vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow.